Welcome to the SMG channel. SMG will take you inside a cold-rolled coil production line rendered in detailed 3D animation, where we will witness steel coils' seamless transformation through precision processing. Hot-rolled coils are first conveyed to the uncoiler, where they are unrolled under precise control and leveled. Subsequently, the steel coil enters the crop shear, where the irregular portions at both ends are precisely trimmed. It is then sent to the tension rollers. The steel coil then enters the pickling line. Here, residual surface oxides are thoroughly removed. The steel coil subsequently passes through a hot air dryer to remove excess moisture. After edge trimming, marginal scrap is removed to ensure smooth and uniform strip edges. The finished steel coil then enters the recoiling area. The overhead crane handling system precisely transfers the steel coils to the next process. Next, the steel coil is conveyed to the cold rolling mill, where it undergoes successive rolling passes. Through multi-pass precision rolling, the strip gradually achieves the specified dimensions and the desired surface quality. Each process is supported by SMG's advanced technologies and equipment, ensuring consistent compliance with the highest operational standards throughout the entire production line. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.